This video, I'm going to show you how to use WinnixBet bonus points. Firstly, you will come to your menu. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a WinnixBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to buy email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. You will start by using or choosing which type of games you want to play through the promo or bonus points. So you will choose either WinnixGames, Casino, or even come to order. For example, if you come to the option order, you will come and click on promo here. By clicking now on promo, you can see here the promo account and the promo points. You just click on bonus games, for example, where you have all the bonus games to see the games that you want to play for free. You can play the Wheel of Fortunes for spinning. You can play games like memory, chess, the lottery, and you have also additional games like promo code check. So when playing these types of games, they will give you bonus points. You can see here a promo account for you to accumulate all the points that you have get when you have been winning by playing these games. You can have also other types like WinnixGames here, where you come and click on bonuses. By clicking on bonuses, you have the lucky wheel. So to spin the wheel, the bonus for bonus games, for example, by clicking here, you will see games like still play the lucky wheel and win unique bonuses, or even complete a task each day to get daily bonus. You have also quest of the day, jackpot. So all of this will help you to gain considerable amount of bonus points, and just by playing them or even winning daily tournament, you will start winning prizes and winning also a considerable amount of money, which will come to your electronic purse. And it will be efficient for you to come and play and place your bets in all the type of sports that you want or you wish to.